Let us start it. So first, let me introduce myself. Myself, Prissy. So I go to LinkedIn. You can see me over here. So myself, Prissy. Okay. So I'm just working as a ServiceNow developer more than 10 years as of now. And this is me. So you can just follow me in your things. If you just give me press your watch, I will be able to see my things. Just give me a friend request or just give me something, and just let me know. Like I will be. I would be just accept you as my friend, so we can have some long relationship with you all you people. The next and foremost thing, what I like to ask is about we just. So I will be your trainer for the session. So the session will be long lasting up to 30 to 32 hours. 30 to 32 hours. And also we are just going to see about some of the introduction about ServiceNow, because mainly we just started with ServiceNow, right? Here we just have one or two differentiations, okay, around the team. So first we can think about like, okay, so let's talk about ServiceNow basic structure. So ServiceNow basic structure starts with like tables, forms, and also with normal list view one, these kind of views. So first of all you people, those who are joined over here are already working in ServiceNow, right? You can just give your introduction slowly, everyone. Just take a moment and let me know like what is the purpose of joining, whether it's going to be for the work or a new project, or you're just going to enhance your knowledge by using this platform. So just to let me know about you. You can take the stage now. Who else wants to start? Ganesh, do you like to go first?
Hey, hi, I'm Ganesh Prankar. I'm working in ServiceNow from last 10 years. Mostly work on ITSM, CSM, and Service Portal. And I have joined this specifically because we have a HRSD module in my organization. So that's why I have joined HRSD module. And I have also done the ITOM training from Pressy. It was really good.
Thank you, Ganesh. So Janathan Reddy, do you like to?
Yes, Prasad. I'm Janardhan Reddy, and I'm having overall 4 years of IT experience. So I am working as a ServiceNow senior application developer. So previously I was working into some ITSM module and some portion of the CSM. Now I wanted to pursue my things in HRSD and wanted to switch career in HRSD itself.
Great. So you people know about ServiceNow already. That's a great thing. Yeah. Shiva and Shiva, can you?
Yes, Prasad. Yeah, hello everyone. My name myself I'm Shiva. I'm having around 7 years of experience in ServiceNow, and I have worked on modules like ITSM, little bit of CSM, and integration part. I have taken coaching from Prasad for modules like the GRC and ITOM. She is very well in that modules, and I'm continuing with HRSD to learn a new module.
Yes, thank you,
Yeah,
Shiva.
thank you.
So Venkat?
Hi, Pastor Venkat here. Good morning, all. I'm having 19 years of experience in IT, where I was working in service desk and Intune and Azure models. So I want to switch to ServiceNow. So that's why I want to take the training on HRSD. Earlier, I'm having the experience in ITSM and admin. So just I want to learn the HRSD.
Great, Shiva. Sorry, great, Venkat. And you already know about ServiceNow basic platform and structure, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yes. I'm CSS expert.
Oh, Yes, this UCS is Uday is
Sorry, Percy.
No, not you, Venkat. Uday, is that you? That UCS one? Uday? Okay, let us move on to the session. So this session will be learning about the HR. So HR in the sense, you know about the basic HRSD flow. You know about everything like and conceptually like, yeah, this is the concept. This is what the HR people will be working. And they will be concentrating on these many areas into our organization. And these are the things what we want to know about the HRSD people. Now let us jump into the little bit practical session over the HRSD. Okay. So which is going to be like, first of all, the first and foremost thing you have to install the plugin into our system. So I'm just going to my PDI and I'm going to install the plugin of HRSD as of now. So I'm just going down below the line. First and foremost thing what I have to install is the Human Resource Scoped App Core. This is my most primary plugin for the HRSD one. Okay. So when I tell about the most primary in the sense, this is what we are going to get our basic tables, applications, rules, everything that is belong to the HRSD. So here I see I'm going to get the knowledge management, templates, skill management, database storage, and also few other applications also here, integrations, handling tasks. Now I'm going to, but these are not going to be get installed. We have to install these things separately. These 4 things will be get installed as of now. I'm going to install it. I'm going to load with demo data. Okay, install. Okay. So first of all, you have to learn something. HR admin and our platform admin are both are different people. First of all, if you have to access our HR or HR configuration, you should have a HR admin role. Okay. Now let's come to an important, not important, some kind of tricky question in ServiceNow. Now let's think about this one. You have ServiceNow roles. For example, take HR admin itself. Now what happened when you are starting your career in HRSD admin? So you just deleted the HRSD admin to everyone in your organization. Okay. Do you think that whether you can delete the role for everyone in your organization, if that is the true in the sense, then who can apply that role to others in the organization?
I think the
Platform.
admin can do that one.
Only if you have HR admin role, then only you can assign that role to the other person. It will be working same like an admin only. From admin also, I just removed that role.
Oh,
What would happen now?
Platform admin can do this.
No, from platform admin also I removed it. So ServiceNow bring this kind of feature into ServiceNow. Okay, I will tell you. Before 4 years, I think so, there is an organization who removed the HR underscore admin role from all the people, even from HR admin. They removed it by accidentally. Okay. Then they were calling ServiceNow and telling them like, hey, see, my roles has been gone. I can't even apply this HR admin role to anyone. After that issue, ServiceNow has come with a solution. The solution was like, any role. You can take any role, okay? Any role will be, any role should have at least one user. For example, system admin only having the HR admin role in the sense from that system admin, you cannot remove that role or you cannot remove that user from the role. Any role will be having one user count. That one user count you can't remove. Okay. So this is the functionality what ServiceNow gives to you actually.
Okay, Prasi, I'm having one doubt then. See, if you are not having the plugin activated, then the role will be not assigned to any person. Means
Yes.
until unless the plugin is activated. So
Plugin is active.
when the plugin is activated, to which user it will be added as a default?
If the plugin is activated in the sense, by default, it will be sitting in the system admin at first.
Okay.
Then it will be given to the respective person.
Okay, we got it. So I think every role will be given to the system admin by default, I think.
Yes.
Okay.
By default, admin will be get assigned to it. But without a single user count added to it, we can't remove any role from our system. So this was the thing that ServiceNow brings into an account. So for any major role without a single user, okay, that will be added for sure for the any major roles within the service.
Okay.
So
And
now let's.
I'm having one more doubt, Prasi.
Hmm.
So why can't they have created a role and they have added that one? Can't they do like that?
Huh?
Means they can create a role and with the same name they can create and they can add, no, by business rules or something else like that.
In back end, first of all, they have some issues with this. Okay, you have
Okay.
some defined societies get mapped to it. That is
Oh.
why whenever you create a group or something, you will do the XML input. Or
Yeah,
okay,
then they can do
you
that one.
want
Like they can import that one, no?
it is a data.
No.
Even though if you import in the sense, how will you assign it to the other person?
No, we can assign the roles also, no? The user roles. We can copy from this user role the table, no? You can directly
In
copy that.
production, it won't work like that actually.
Oh.
Okay, we have some license count, license issues and all we have. See, this was happening 4 years ago. In that time, if you have HR admin role, then only you can assign that to other person. You can't put XML and all, it will throw you some exceptional errors actually.
Mhm. Yeah. Fine.
Now I will show you that actually.
Okay, plus.
Hey, hi Pushpalata, thanks for joining session. Can you please give your introduction a bit? Oh my God, she's gone. Okay, no issues. Now if I have to go for applications, tables. Okay. Now let's start talking about the HR people, okay? Now in your organization, what are the different types of HR you are seeing in your organization? Different type of HR teams. Can you tell me about the HR teams?
Resourcing team.
Okay.
Then there's the onboarding team also there. HR specifically onboard resources.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Talent acquisition, payroll,
Talent acquisitions. Yeah.
payroll,
Payroll, important
benefits.
one. Mm-hmm. Okay. Employee relationship also there. So like this, we do have multiple other people in our organization, right? So now let's do some homework over here. New blank page. Share the screen. Okay. Now how in ServiceNow they have implemented it. See, multiple other tools also have human resource one. Now we are going to learn how ServiceNow structured it. The first and the foremost one, what we have in our system is the COE. Okay. COE, which is nothing but Center of Excellence. Okay. COE is called the Center of Excellence in our system. At COE, what are the departments you tell me? Okay, what are the departments you told me? All or comes under a like a child to the COE. For example, we were telling about that. For example, we were telling about different partitions within the COE. Correct? Let us keep in this way. And we were talking about employee relationship. Okay, and we were talking about talent acquisition. We were talking about onboarding HR. We were talking about performance or not performance. We can say like this one, people that are related with the performance or appraisal also we can tell. And other HR we have like payroll HR, we have payroll HR. And the next HR we can benefits related one or leave management, time card management. Okay. All these are different type of HR we have in our system. Now when we talk about this HR, okay, we in ServiceNow, how CO is structured in the sense, these people, these stable COE is called as HR case within the system. HR case table is the COE. And another thing you have to keep in your mind is HR is also a child table of task table. So, you know, basically it has the basic table and structure which is coming from the task table. And here the COE is called as our parent table called HR case table. Okay, HR case. SN_HR_ case table on the back end. All these are child table of the SN_HR_ case table. So this will be called as SN_employee SN_HR_ employee_ relationship. Same wise, this is also talent acquisition also in the same way. So here the COE in the sense, this is one of the COE, this is all these are individual COEs, which is the child of our main table called HR case. Child table of our HR case. Now, if I go into this application, just having a few more, okay? I think everybody are having your PDI with you. Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Are you installing this plugin against it?
Yes.
Yes.
So now we are going to see, once this plugin is installed, we are going to see how you can manage your COE and how you can create your new COE. Okay. In ServiceNow, COEs are different tables, but there is no place for you to separately create a COE, like COE is a table, not like that. I'm going to show you some good configurations for you, or you have to understand. From this Word document, what I showed you about the top table of COE and child table of COE. Now, can you tell me like how you can create a new COE table? Whatever I showed you, it has all the answers in it actually.
Yeah, by making it as a child table to that COE table.
Yeah, that is correct. So if you want to create a new table or new COE within this HRSD in the sense, you have to go and create a new table and make your SN underscore HR underscore case, which is nothing but HR case table as a parent table. So which will automatically create your COE table within the HRSD. Let's wait for a few more minutes, let it get completed. Okay, cool. Let me go to the roles at first. Admin. So the HR row admin content SN underscore HR underscore core underscore admin. Can you see? The admin is containing this role by nature.
And we can't delete that particular role to any user, right?
Yes. By default, the admin will be having this role. If I go into this role, human resource core application. Sorry. This is cool. This is still good. For admin, you just have this HRSD. This is assignable by whom? This particular admin assigned to this admin. That is the meaning actually. Now, before going on to that, let's complete the COE part. COE configuration. Only if you are into human resource core, then only the COE configuration will be appear. Otherwise, it won't appear. So be careful while you are choosing it. Now, these are the different type of COEs: payroll, talent, total rewards, workforce, operations, global mobility, corporate communication cases, compensation benefit. Why we can't activate in the sense these things doesn't have any HR cases as of now. That's what is not showing in this way. Okay. If you have the exact HR services for each and at least one services, then it will be showing as active only. Now I'm going to check my tables. So can you see HR benefit plan, HR case table? Can you see? SN underscore HR underscore core underscore case. And this is extended from the table called task. And below that, if I open benefit compensation or any other payroll case table also. For any table which is having a payroll HR case. See, extends from this HR case, then it will become a COE. Now I'm going to create a new one. I'm going to put it that one as let me put this one in remote jobs. Okay. Automatically comes up. Here I have to give HR case. HR case. And then I have to submit it. Once I did that one, I have to come here. If I see, I have a new thing called what? Remote job. It's not active because we don't have the HR services to it. So all the parent fields will be applicable to the child table also. So once we have this, we will be having our table over here also. So now we created our new COE table. And basically, this thing will be shown in the format of SN_4_ license term. If you see, this is just an view you are having in the system, not the exact table. But still, this is asked in the question, while you are seeing the COE configuration, can you give me this thing actually? Just note it up, okay? You have this remote job. We created a new COE today, okay? Now, the first and foremost thing, once you completed with your COE creation, we have topic category, topic detail, and HR service, but we can jump into it a little bit later. Before that, some major things what we have to complete is our HR profile table. We have to complete all these things first, then we can move on to that table. HR profiles, users. So each and every people in your organization will have a record in sys user table, and also the same people will having a record in the SN_HR_core_profile table, which is simply called as HR profile tables. So in user table, you will be having what? Your location, your timestamp, your department, what are the roles you have, groups you located. But in HR, you will be containing your user account, which is connected, first name, middle name, last name, gender, date of birth, place of birth, country, marital status. Your personal information will also be connected over here, like your employment status, what are the previous employees you have, and you will be also having your immediate contact, emergency contact address, your current contact, permanent address, temporary address. What are the beneficiaries you have? Because if your family having this benefit, in the sense, who are the family members? What is the relationship with them? Who are the other persons get covered into your insurance policy? Who are your emergency contact? Who is your direct reportee, colleagues? How many cases you created? How many absence, I mean leaves you have taken, how many different type of positions or job you have worked in the same organization. For example, new project you will be moving, new skills you will be moving. In that way, this will be get evaluated. So the HR case table is something like what you have, your user table will have some basic information about you, but the HR profile table will have the personal information about you. So this HR profile table can have only access for your HR admins. Okay. Comparing to other fields and tables, you will be having some security related issues, not some. You have multiple security layers within this one actually. These things and all we can slowly learn from this system. Okay. Up to this, can you able to try it up and see, guys, like creating a new COE? So just try it up. So now try to impersonate as a HR admin, not assigning a role to the user. Usually you have a user in your system called HR admin itself. See? Oh, now, do you remember what are the other roles that this HR guy has? Manager, SP admin, HR SP employee, many other roles you have within this. Totally 18 roles. It is coming along with it. These are the important tables you have within this. All the tables you will be studying it up. Employee forms, COE, security policies, case creations, transform case creation, badge. All these things you will be studying in the upcoming session. Now, once you moved into your HR admin, if you search for HR, you could see all your HR tables over here. HR task, profile, beneficiaries, everything. HR integrations. So till time, do you find any kind of doubts, or do you have like to have any questions?
The COEs means like creating another table in the HR itself, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Because over
Then
here,
then why all tables of COEs as having separate table?
it is a separate CAE, right?
No, and
Your voice is
generally
low, Prati.
Sorry?
Your voice is low.
I mean, it is a separate COE, right? Each and every COE is a separate COE, right? Why? Okay, in which case you will be using it? Let me create one case and show it to you. Now I'm going to place one case in my payroll related stuff, okay? And still see, I don't see any COE got selected to me. But now when I try to select service, it will automatically fetch it up. I am going to do under the payroll. Okay. Direct deposit setup. It automatically chooses the COE.
So this table, right? HR payroll case.
So what happened if you create any cases, especially cases will be defined using our HR services, like how you have in service catalogs in our system or record producers in our system. Same way here in HRSD, you will be using the HR services. Now, if I see, I create a new case for this HR service. So as a subject person as Benjamin this guy. And it got assigned to some person. Leave it this. But if you see over here, it was assigned to what table? Not to the basic case table. It assigned to the exact COE table.
Yeah.
So all the HR services are like an record producers only. It will put the record in its exact COE table.
Got it.
So whatever you created as a COE, it will be a separate one. And whatever cases the person created for you, it will be go and placed in the exact COE table. So that is where we go for the separate COE table. Okay, now I'm going to plugins again and I'm going to tell you a few more plugins. Okay. The next and the foremost one, just activate this employee journey, employee relationship, employee document management, and also lifecycle event management also. And this one, migration app, data migration. Activate mostly all the HR plugins, what and all you have. This HR migration moves data and roles from global version to HR to the scoped version. We already activated this, but while it is showing me an error. Oh my God. Okay, try to activate other stuffs and try to activate this one also for tomorrow's session. So tomorrow we will be concentrating more about topic category, topic detail, and creation of the HR services. And after that, we will be moving to our HR profile and how to access your HR profile. For example, we have few scenarios. The scenarios will be like you have a HR admin or HR BP in your system. Like you will be having your organization is sitting in multiple locations like US, Canada, India, many other countries also. Now the US HR has to view only the employee details. I mean the HR profile record details, record details only in the US people alone. They can't even should have the access for the other regions. So how you have to do those things? So these kinds of, even though they have HR admin role, how to restrict them using the location. So these kind of interesting cases or scenarios you will be seeing in the upcoming session. And you have the HR profile. In the HR profile table, there are some sensitive information like your Aadhaar card number, PAN card number. This has to be viewed only by very few people. It should not be viewed by all. So how you have to restrict a few fields actually. So these kind of scenarios you will be seeing in the session. Any other question other than this? So try to join the session exactly at 8 a.m. tomorrow. We can start ASAP so that we can complete 1 hour session actually with the full scope. I think around 4 to 5 people has joined very late. So try to join as soon as possible at 8 a.m. every day.
You can extend it, right, Parsi, if it gets late, like today.
Sorry?
You can extend it, right, if it gets late to like today. Not every day, at least today.
Yeah, we can extend it, but not today for me. So, so that's the reason, because we do have the consecutive sessions after this. So that's the reason I'm asking you to join exactly, even though if you join 5 minutes earlier also, we can start exactly at 8.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah. So let's meet on tomorrow. If there is too much of delay, definitely I will extend the session for another 10 or 15 minutes to compensate it. So have a nice day, everyone. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.
Yeah.